Welcome back, Future Medicos. This is a very important video for those candidates who are waiting for the stray vacancy round to be conducted by individual colleges. As you all know, the MCC stray vacancy round has been postponed subsequent to MCC giving additional time for mop-up round allotted candidates to join until 29 December 6 p.m. Now MCC has released a fresh schedule for stay vacancy round. The important thing you need to note here is they are allowing fresh registration for stay vacancy round. As per the prospectus, fresh registration is not allowed during stay vacancy round, but now the fresh notification from MCC says that you can register for stay vacancy round straight away. So I believe that if you have not registered for round 1 or round 2 or mop-up round, you will be now allowed to register for stray vacancy round. So that's what we are going to see in this video. We will see the date and what are the activities that is going to happen. Now this is the notification from MCC. What it says, as per letter number NMC so and so, dated 24th December 2020, the last date of admission in MBBS course for the academic session 2020-21 has been extended till 15 January 2021. So this, you all probably already know that the extension has been sought from Supreme Court to extend the admission until 15 January 2021. So MCC has provided the revised schedule for stay vacancy. Now, what is the first step? The first step, now they say fresh registration or payment for stay vacancy round. When this will happen? This is going to start on 4th January 2021. So if you have not registered before, now you can register fresh on 4th January 2021 until 6th January 2021. 4th January to 6th January up to 12 noon on 6th January. So until 12 afternoon, 6th January, you can register. And you need to make a payment. The payment facility will be available till 6th January, 3 p.m. So 4th January, the registration starts and it will close at 6th January, 12 noon. And then the payment facility will be available until 6th January, 3 p.m. Now, what are the other activities? MCC will return or surrender the vacant seats to deemed universities, central universities, AIIMS, JIPMER, and then some of the other central institutes, including ESIC, on 6th January 2021. So this is the date when MCC is going to surrender officially the seats to the respective colleges. And what is the third activity? MCC will provide a list of students. This is the eligible list I had been talking about. MCC will prepare a list of students. What is the number? It will equal to 10 times the number of vacant seats. Say, for example, we have about, say, 1,000 seats are vacant in all the colleges. Then MCC will prepare a list of 1,000 into 10, 10,000 candidates will be prepared. And this list will be given to colleges. It will be published on MCC website on 7th January 2021. So you will come to know whether you are eligible to participate on stay vacancy round only on 7th January 2021. And then the colleges is going to conduct the stay vacancy round. That is the step 4, physical reporting at the institutes for stay vacancy round. So when it will happen from 7th January to 15 January 2021. So the colleges will advertise. The colleges will invite applications. The colleges will give a schedule for you to come for a spot counseling. So you need to monitor individual colleges. You need to look at their websites. You need to look at the newspapers. You need to contact them. I don't know what you will do. You need to follow up with the colleges. So MCC will not conduct this stray vacancy round. It will be conducted by individual colleges. So if you are interested in a particular college, say for example, if you are interested in SRM Chennai, then you need to look at SRM Chennai. You need to follow up. You need to look at their website. You need to look at the local newspapers. You need to call them. Somehow you need to find out what is the schedule. So the admission will happen somewhere between 7 January to 15 January. Within these 9 days, the colleges will conduct the counseling. So you can apply to multiple colleges, no problem. Start of session for UG courses, of course, it is going to start on 2nd February 2021. All participating institutes or colleges are directed to treat all Saturday and Sunday as working days. Okay, that is the final instruction given. So this is the schedule, and the most important news, I would say, or the most important change we are seeing here is now MCC is allowing fresh registration or payment for stay vacancy round. That's it. I will post any further updates to you. Until then, take care. Bye bye.